Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out the no it's not new to me, Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I feel like I'm cheating on my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara that I've used since I was like 17, but I've been loving all things Maybelline. When I go to the grocery store or the drugstore, that's all I kind of gravitate towards, and I wanted to try it out. So I think I will do maybe like a side-by-side of the two mascaras and see if there's a difference and all that fun stuff. I kind of rearranged everything a couple weeks ago and I love it. It feels brighter and airier, and I just needed to cleanse the house after summertime. Today's the boys' first day back, and I feel like I thought I would be like so excited and like just, I don't know, happy for them to be going back, but I guess it's not the common consensus to feel like you're bummed that your kids went back to school. It's kind of like quiet. I like the peace. I'm an introvert, so I need solitude for a while, but it's kind of bittersweet to see them go back. So yeah, so I'm going to do all of my makeup and then I'm going to come back and do my mascara and kind of see if there's a difference and test it out for you guys. So if you have already not, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, then just keep watching. Alright, so my makeup is done. Before I put my mascara on, my tummy is growling. I'm just going to tightline my eyes. And this is just always something I have to do. I feel like my eyes look like there's something missing if I don't do it. And then I'm going to take this angled brush and I'm going to go in and just kind of pick up a little bit of the liner and just bring it out a bit. And you get just a tiny little baby wing, and it just kind of acts as like an extra eyelash. All right, now I'm going to curl my lashes and then I will put on the mascara. All right, lashes are curled, so I'm going to start out with the L'Oreal Voluminous on my left side. Well, I guess it would be right in the camera. I don't know, whatever. This side I'm going to do the L'Oreal. I did try the Maybelline a few times and I found that it was like a thinner consistency and it kind of left my eyelashes feeling more fluttery. Like I feel like this one bulks them up more, hence the term voluminous, I guess. And I found the Maybelline one a little bit more buildable, like it didn't get so sticky afterwards. And I really like to pick up all the baby hairs at the edge because it just opens up the eye so much more and just extends your lashes. So that is this side. And now I am going to go in with the Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. And I like the little angledness to the wand on this side. I find this one is easier to hold for whatever reason. don't see too much of a difference. Experiment gone wrong. No, actually, I feel like the lashes are a little longer on this side. It's hard to tell. I feel like if I was looking in a mirror, I would be able to tell better. And just the angle that I'm looking at, like, no, I feel like my lashes feel longer on this side for sure. And I feel like because it's like a lighter formula, it kind of holds the curl better. And like I just don't feel like it clumps when you keep going in for more applications. Yeah, I definitely feel like it's longer on that side. I'm gonna try to go in a little bit more with this. But I just feel like it dries quicker. And like it doesn't extend the lashes as much. All right, yeah, for sure. So there you have both lashes on either side. I feel like you can get in closer to the root with this one, so maybe that's why they seem a little thicker and fuller. I still love the voluminous mascara. I will probably still always use it, but yeah, so there is the finished look. I'm gonna have to touch up this side with this one, and I want to go look in the mirror after. But okay, so yeah, that is the two mascaras. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.